Good morning, students. So, yesterday we have discussed addition and subtraction of fractions, and today we are going to do the next operation, that is multiplication and division of fractions. First, let us see how can we multiply fractions. For example, I have 2 by 6 and I want to multiply it by 4 by 12. So, we can do it in various methods. So, first method what we can do is without doing any divisions, directly multiply numerator and numerator. 2 fours are 8 and 6 into 12 is 72. Now you can simplify this. 8 ones, 8 nines. Answer is 1 by 9. So another method. So numerator and denominator you can do divide by the same number, that is 2 by 6 into 4 by 12. 2 and 6 both I want to divide by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. So this 4 and 12 I want to divide by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. So now multiply the numerator. 1 into 1 is 1 and left denominator 3 into 3 is 9. We got the same answer. Not only from the same fraction, from other fraction numerator and denominator can be cancelled. Suppose this 2 and this 12 I want to cancel. Yes, you can do it. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. And then this 4 and 6 also can be divisible. 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. Then this 2 and 6 can be divisible. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. So 1 into 1 is 1, 3 into 3 is 9. So any way you do will get the correct answer. But only the division or the cuttings can be done between a numerator and denominator. You cannot do that between numerator, denominator. Next, division of fractions. For example, same example we take 2 by 6 if you want to divide it by 4 by 12. So division, we depend on multiplication only. So you have to remember one thing. First fraction will be as it is, that is 2 by 6. And then division is going to become multiplication. And second fraction is going to become reciprocal. So you have to remember this. So what are the changes required in doing division of fractions? First fraction will be as it is, division become multiplication, and second fraction become reciprocal. And from there everything is as it is. So this 2 and 6 I want to cancel. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. Now this 12 and 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. And this 3 gets cancelled, answer is 1. So this is the way we are going to do division also. And we are going to take more examples when we take the questions from the previous year papers. So this is the way we are going to do multiplication of fractions and division of fractions. So let's take up one question here. So students, if you want to copy, I'll be waiting on the screen. You can copy quickly. Don't keep your notes pending because of the reason that you are incomplete with the previous classes. Either you write in rough book or you leave pages and write. It is up to you. But live class, I'll be giving time for you to copy. So don't keep it pending. Everything should be up to date. Today I'll check definitely today's class notes today in class. Whether you're writing today all the questions and answers in your book or not. Today's class must be there in your notebook, those who are attending the class. Copy this. Yes, Nishika. Yes, Nishika.
Sir, can you wait for 2 minutes?
Yeah, I'm waiting. No, you can copy.
Okay, sir.
Copy quickly. Yes, Shanai. Shanai, copying is done.
Sir, can you explain division method?
So division, what you need to do is 2 by 6 divided by 4 by 12, right?
Yes, sir.
First fraction you have to write as it is. That's why I wrote 2 by 6 as 2 by 6 only. Okay?
Okay, sir.
And division becomes multiplication. Can you see that division became multiplication?
Yes, sir.
And there is a change in the second fraction that we have to take it reciprocal. Reciprocal means what? Numerator becomes denominator and the denominator becomes numerator. Then it is like a normal multiplication only, cuttings. Yes?
Yes, sir.
So the three changes required are first fraction will be as it is, division becomes multiplication, and the second fraction become reciprocal. Then you can do cuttings like a normal multiplication, you'll get the answer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then I have copied this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We are going to the next question now. So all of you try this question. It came in 2023 paper. Compute the reciprocal of the expression given below. All of you try this. First copy the question and options and try the solution. Once you are ready with the solution, you can raise the hand. I may accept anybody. Compute the reciprocal of expression given below. 34 divided by 15 into 45 by 17. Write the question and options and write the solution. Once you are ready with the solution, you can raise a hand. Sharath?
Sir?
Yes, Sharath. Your screen incomplete.
Sir, no, sir, but options also right.
Everything. Question, options, and solution.
Okay, sir.
Write the question neatly. You need not write that heading question Sainik School 2023. Just write question number or you can just write Q, whatever you want. But you must write the question and options also. And write solution also neatly. If anybody want to explain the solution, can raise a hand now. Bhuwana, can you raise your hand? Yes, Bhuwana, can you explain this?
Sir, I write it.
You didn't write the question?
Yes, sir.
No problem. But you can see the question, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So help me in simplifying this expression. 34 by 15 multiplied by 45 by 17. Okay, Bhuwana, how can I simplify this?
Sir, first
Bhuwana, speak loudly.
Sir, first do first fraction as it is.
This is multiplication or division.
Multiplication, sir.
Then why are you trying to change? It is as it is. Everything will be as it is. Only division will try to change, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
any cuttings? Yes.
sir, sir,
Any cut? Yes,
15
yes.
and 15 threes are 45.
Yes, 15 ones and 15 threes. Next, any other simplification possible?
Sir, 17 ones and 17 to the 34.
Okay, so what is the answer?
Sir,
What is the answer, Bhuwana?
sir,
Yes,
6.
two threes are six. But six is not there in the options.
Yes, sir.
Is it correct or wrong?
Sir,
Don't get confused. You are not reading the question properly. What are they asking? Compute the reciprocal of expression given below.
sir, it will be 1 by 6.
Yes, whatever answer you are getting, for that you have to find again reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of 6?
Sir, 1.
Reciprocal of 6 is 1.
Sir,
Reciprocal of 6, what is the answer?
sir, 1 by 6.
You have to say the complete answer 1 by 6. Okay, so the answer is C. Okay, very good, Bhuwana. You can copy now. Everybody, you can copy now. Write question, option, and along with the solution neatly. Bhuwana, you can mute yourself now. Yes, Nishika, you're asking me to zoom. I hope this is fine. Let's copy quickly. Yes, Rishikesh. Yes, Rishikesh.
Sir, actually, I want to tell the answer.
Okay, it's over now already. You can lower your hand. I may give the chance for next question.
Okay, sir.
Shanai?
Sir,
Shanai? Yes.
sir, write solutions with the pencil, no problem.
Write with pen only, no? It will be very neat.
Sir,
Because,
I write with pen pencil, sir.
okay, your wish. Okay, I hope everybody completed this question and solution. Can I move to the next question now? Copy quickly, increase the speed of writing. Okay, moving to the next question now. So the answer for the previous question is 1 by 6. Got the answer. So all of you try the next question. So this is your next question. This question came in 2022 paper. Solve this expression. All of you read the question and options and try to solve this. Everybody try to solve this question, but once you are ready with the solution, you can raise a hand. Yes, Rishikesh, can you say the answer for this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I write the expression first?
Yes, sir.
So 6 by 8 divided
Divide 3 by
3
2 into
into 4
5.
by 5. Okay, Rishikesh, there is a division and there is a multiplication. Which operation I should do first?
Sir, division.
Why?
Sir, according to the V board mass.
Okay, according to V-board mass rule, D comes first or M comes first?
Sir, D.
When D comes first, we have to do division first. So I need
Yes,
to
sir.
do this one first, right? So how to do
Yes.
division of fractions, Rishikesh?
Sir, first fraction as it is, division become multiplication,
Yes.
and second fraction will become reciprocal.
So 3 by 2 become 2 by 3, and then just we can write 4 by 5. Now
Yes.
everything is multiplication. Can you do cuttings between
Yes.
these three fractions?
Yes, sir.
Can you suggest me how to simplify
Sir,
this?
4 ones are 4, 2s are 8.
4 twos are 8.
Sir, 2 to cut.
Okay, two ones, two ones. Next,
Sir, 3 ones are 3 twos are.
three ones and three twos. So any cuttings possible now?
No, sir.
So what is the final answer we got?
2 by 5.
2 by 5. Which option?
Sir, option D.
So answer we got, that is D. Okay, very good. Rishikesh, you can mute yourself and copy this. So everybody, you can copy the solution as well. You may do the cuttings in another way, but the final answer will be same, 2 by 5. Yeah, I hope everybody copied this, and we go to the next question. Next question is this. This question came in 2020 paper. Leela reads 25 pages of a book containing 100 pages. Lalita read two-fifths of the same book. Who read less and by how much? So all of you try this question, and if anybody want to give the solution, can raise a hand now. Manaswini? Yes,
Sir,
Manaswini. Yes.
sir,
Manaswini, will you say the answer?
yes,
Okay, go ahead, Manaswini.
yes, sir.
Read the question loudly.
Sir, Leela reads 25 pages of book contains 100 pages. Lalita read 2 by 5th of the same book. Who read less by how much?
Okay. How can we solve this?
Sir, Leela
Yes.
has read 25 pages.
Read
I
it. Read it. Is it correct? Read, read, read. You know, V1, V2, V3 we discussed in English.
yes, sir.
The verb read, what is V2 and V3?
Reads
Read,
read.
read, read. Spelling will be same, but pronunciation is different. Read, read, read.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Leela read how many pages of the book?
25 pages.
So Leela read 25 pages. There is no problem with this. Out of 100 pages. Next, how many pages are read by Lalita? I want to know. How can we do?
Lalita has read by 25 2 by 5th pages.
Okay, Lalita read how much fraction?
2/5.
2/5 of how many pages?
100 pages.
Half means what we should do?
Into.
Okay, 2/5 of 100. So can we simplify this, Manaswini?
Yes, sir. 5 ones are 520s are.
5 2s are 10 and 0. Okay,
Sir,
22 into 20,
is equals to 40.
40. So Leela read 25 pages, Lalita read 40 pages. Now they're asking who read less? Who read
40
less?
plus 25, sir.
No, who read less first question?
Sir, Leela.
So you should say Leela. Leela read less. And they said by how much? How much less she read?
25 minus 14, sir.
From smaller number you can subtract bigger number.
No, sir. 40 minus 25, sorry.
The difference is 40 minus 25. What is 40 minus 25?
15, sir.
15. Therefore, Leela read less number of pages. And how much less?
15
So which
pages.
option is matching here?
Option A.
Option A, Leela and 15 pages. That is answer A. Very good, Manaswini. You can mute yourself now.
అబ్బో నన్ను లీవ్ చేసిన పేజీలో రాసేసినానే.
Manaswini, what happened?
మర్చిపోయి చూసుకోలేదు. లీవ్ చేసిన పేజీలో రాసేసిన.
సరే ఏం కాదు ఈ రెండే కదా తర్వాత నోట్
No problem. No problem. You can leave the page and you can write. Okay, Manaswini, you can mute yourself. Very good. So all of you copy the question and solution now. I'm waiting for you to copy the solution. Everybody copy quickly. Yes, Harshvardhan, finished?
Sir,
Yes, Harshvardhan.
sir, I want to tell answer, sir.
The solution is already over. No, I may give you a chance for the next question.
Okay, sir.
Okay, we're going to the next question now. Copy quickly. Yes, Neeraj.
Sir,
Yes, Neeraj, yes.
sir, can you wait for 1 minute?
Okay, copy quickly. How much time?
Okay.
Okay, next question. So this is about multiplication and division of fractions. We'll take more questions. First, now we are going to start the decimals. So till now we discussed fractions and the fundamental operations between fractions, how to compare fractions, etc. Now fraction and decimal, they are not different, they are same. Every fraction can be converted into decimal and every decimal can be converted into fraction. So first of all, before knowing decimal, we should know what is decimal fraction. So let us write what is decimal fraction. Decimal fraction. So decimal fraction is also a fraction, but it is having one condition. That is, it is a fraction. It is a fraction having any power of 10 as denominator. What do you mean by any power of 10? We know 10 powers, right? 10 power 0 is 1. Any number power 0 is 1. 10 power 0 is also 1. 10 power 1 is 10. 10 square is 100. That means 10 multiplied 2 times. 10 cube means 10 multiplied 3 times. We get 1000. 10 to the power 4, 1 followed by 4 zeros, that is 10,000, and so on. So like this, these numbers are called 10 powers. If the denominator is any 10 power, that fraction we can call decimal fraction. For example, I have 12 by 100. Is this a decimal fraction? Yes. 565 divided by 10,000. Is this a decimal fraction? Yes. 277 divided by 10. Is this a decimal fraction? Yes, etc. So these are the examples of decimal fractions. Now, every decimal fraction can be expressed in terms of decimal. But before we write in terms of decimal, we should know what are the decimal places. Okay. See, everybody know this. Ones, tens, hundreds. If it is Indian system, we put comma here, and thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. So this, from right to left, we know all these places. Now, decimal places means towards the right side of one's place, we use a decimal point. That means from after the decimal point, the decimal places will start. That is, this is tenths place. It's not tens. See, this is ones place. This is tens place. This is hundreds place, and so on. But towards the right side of the decimal, we have tenths place. Tens is different, tenths is different. So tenths means 1 by 10. And after that, we have hundredths place. Hundredth, it's not hundred. See, hundreds spelling ed, and this is eth. Hundred is different, hundredth is different. Hundredth means tenth means 1 by 10. Hundredth means 1 by 100. And towards the right side, we have thousandth, 10,000th, lakh, everything will be there. Okay. So these are the decimal places. Now, you should remember one thing, that every decimal fraction can be written in its decimal form very easily. So how can we do that? 12 by 100. We just write 12 without writing the denominator. Then count how many zeros are there in the denominator. There are two zeros in the denominator. That is, 100 is having two zeros. So what you do is, starting from right to left, we introduce two decimal places. That means we count 1 and we count 2 and we use a decimal point here. So the decimal point. Before decimal point, if nothing is there, then we can use 0. That means 12 by 100 can always be written in the form of 0.12. Okay. That means what is there in the ones place? 0. What is there in the tenths place? 1. What is there in the hundredths place? That is 2. So this is how we write the decimal. This is how we convert a decimal fraction into decimal. And next second one also we will convert. So 565 divided by 10,000. First write the number as it is, 565, and count the number of zeros in the denominator. There are 4 zeros. So starting from right to left, you introduce decimal after the fourth place. 1, 2, 3. But to count the fourth one, there is no digit. So if there is no digit, we can always use 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 I counted. Then use the decimal point. Then introduce 0 here. So the decimal form of the given fraction is 0.0565. And next, 277, you write the numerator as it is. Now we have the denominator 10. So 10 containing 1 0. Starting from right to left, you introduce one decimal place. That is, after one place, 7. You introduce a decimal here. So it's nothing but 27.7. So this is very simple, converting decimal fractions into decimal. So whenever the denominator is any 10 power, like 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, etc., we can easily write in the form of decimals. So this is the way we are going to write. Okay, you can copy the screen. I'll be waiting here. Copy quickly. Now we will discuss the opposite process. We converted decimal fractions to decimals. Now we'll try to convert decimals to decimal fractions. Any doubts in the screen, you can ask me. Nishil, any doubts?
Sir,
Yes, Nishil.
can I write this place value 10th place, 100th place?
Yeah, you should write.
Okay,
And you show what is this point also. What is this point called, Nishil?
sir, decimal point.
Yes, you should call this as a decimal point. You write that one also. This is called decimal point.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Nishil, you can mute yourself now. Rishikesh, any doubts? Rishikesh? Rishikesh, you are not audible. Rishikesh, try to leave the class and join again. Jashvi, any doubts? Jashvi?
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
sir, we have to do not forget that 10 0 equals to 1, that method.
Come again. 10-0.
That method, what is called that method, sir?
You are converting decimal fraction into decimal form. See, 12 by 100, 0.12. Both are same numbers, but the way we are representing is different. 12 by 100 is in the fractional form, 0.12 in the decimal form. But both are representing the same number.
No.
Okay? Is your doubt cleared or you want to ask anything else?
Sir, tomorrow when we have exam?
Same time, after 4 o'clock only.
Okay.
But from this Sunday, I'm changing the pattern. I'm increasing questions. Okay? I'll explain the pattern now before completing today's class.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I hope everybody copied. Yes, Jashvi again raised hand.
Sir, nothing, sir.
Okay. Rishikesh.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can you wait for some time?
Yeah, copy quickly. I'm already waiting.
Oh.
Mayuk. Yes, Mayuk.
Sir, you told questions changed, na?
No, no, I will increase the number of questions. I'll
Sir,
explain the pattern.
that one announce in announcement.
Yeah, I'll do that. Announcement, I'll do that. And today, before completing class, also, I'll explain what is the pattern of tomorrow's exam. Okay? Kamal.
Sir,
Yes, Kamal.
for some time.
Yeah, I'm waiting already. You can copy.
Okay.
Vishwajit.
Sir,
Yes, Vishwajit.
decimal fraction again exponential decimal fraction.
See, decimal fraction means what you understand, it is a fraction having any power of 10 as denominator. So, 10 powers I shown here on the right side, 10 power 0 is 1. Not only 10
One.
power 0, any number power 0 is also 1. And then 10 power 1 is 10. 10 square, what do you mean by 10 square? 10 multiplied 2 times. 10 into 10 will you get 100?
100.
And 10 cube, that means 10 multiplied 3 times. 10 into 10, that is 1000. And 10 power 4 is 10,000 and so on, right? So
Yes, sir.
any of these numbers, if they are in the denominator of any fraction, like 12 by 100 is there. What is the
Yes.
denominator?
12 by 100. 100.
100. And 565 by 10,000. What is the denominator?
10,000.
So like that, these are having the denominators as 10 powers. So these fractions can be called decimal fractions. Every
Okay, sir.
decimal fraction you can easily convert into decimal. So the rule is write the numerator as it is. Okay. So 12 by 100 is there. Now I wrote 12 as it is. Then count the number of zeros in the denominator. How many zeros are there in the denominator? In 12 by 100, how many zeros are there in the denominator?
2 zeros.
In 12
2.
by 100, two zeros are there, right?
Sir.
So starting from right to left, after two places, I have introduced the decimal. See, starting from right, this is first place, this is second place, and I use decimal point here. Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Similarly, everything you can convert like decimal fraction into decimal. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, no problem.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, we don't want to count that number 1.
You should count after counting. You should put the point. Okay.
I'm asking you. You said that we should write numerator as it is, and we want to
In
count
the
the.
denominator, you count only number of zeros. Don't count that one. Okay.
Sir, why?
Why? Because in the 100, if you write the prime factorization, you get 2 square into 5 square, right?
Yes.
It's nothing but 10 square. That means only the number of zeros will be counted in the prime factorization, not one.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I hope everybody copied. Then we'll move forward. So this is the way we are going to convert a fraction, a decimal fraction into decimal. Now the reverse process we will try. We'll take same examples so you don't confuse. I'm taking the same examples now. That is 0.12, 0.0565 and 27.7. I want to convert these decimals into its decimal fraction form back. So 0.12, how to do the reverse process? First, you remove the decimal and write. If you remove the decimal, 0.12 will remain, but 0.12 is nothing but 12 only, right? 12 divided by, always you start from 1. Count the number of decimal places. How many decimal places are there? There are 2 decimal places. So just write 2 zeros. If you want, you can simplify it later, but I'm not simplifying. I'm just writing 12 by 100. If you want, you can simplify further. And next, this one. So what are you going to do for this? First, remove the decimal point. So it will be 00565, but there are no use of zeros before the number. Just write 565 divided by, followed by 1. How many zeros I have to use? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 decimal places. So I should write 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want, you can simplify by doing cuttings with 5 or any other number. We can simplify it later. But this is how we convert into fractional form. And this one 27.7. First remove the decimal. If you remove the decimal, it will be 277 divided by 1 followed by, how many zeros I should write? Because there is only one decimal place, I should write only 1 0. So this is the way we will convert from decimal fraction to decimal and decimal to decimal fraction. All of you copy this example also. Yes, Harshvardhan.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, why are you using always one? But
Because
you are using zeros.
because decimal fraction is having the denominator as 10 powers, right?
Yes, sir.
In
Sir,
the
all the decimals having 10 powers.
Yes, yes. Why? Because in the decimal places, after the decimal we have tenth, hundredth, and so on, right?
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by tenth? If you take a full object, divide into 10 equal parts. Each part is called tenth, right?
Ah,
So what is the fractional form of that? One part out of 10 parts only?
1 by 10.
Yes, 1 by 10. And hundredth, what do you mean by hundredth? You take a
Ah,
full object, divide into 100 equal parts. Each part is called hundredth, right?
yes.
What is the fraction? 1 by 100?
Yes, sir.
So all of these 10th, 100th and 10,000, everything are starting from 1 and followed by zeros only, right?
Sir, suppose means all fractions have these decimals 10 powers only.
Yeah,
All
every decimal you convert into fractional form. The denominator will be 10 power only.
sir.
But you can simplify later. But once you simplify, the number will change. For example, this 12 by 100 is there. Is it in the simplest form, Harshvardhan?
Sir, no.
It's not in the simplest form, but once you simplify it, 2 6 are 12 and 2 into 50 100, 2 into 3 6, 2 into 25 50. That you can write 3 by 25. Now can you see any 10 power here? No.
No.
So in the simplest form, any number may be there. But I just told you how to simplify into a decimal fractional form.
Sir,
Okay.
there is other method to decimals.
This is only very simple. No, why we follow other method? Just remove the decimal and use number of zeros. Okay.
Sir, we want to do first remove the decimal and
Yes.
keep the numerator digit like this, and
Yes.
inside a 1 and
Yes.
with zeros there we want to count, sir.
Yeah, that's
Decimal point
all.
before 0 we don't want to count, sir.
After the decimal, how many places are there? That many zeros you should write. Okay.
Sir, suppose we counted a decimal point before means.
Don't count decimal point. After the decimal point, you should count.
Sir, why?
Because when you are converting from decimal fraction to decimal, we are getting the same number of decimal places as the number of zeros. That's why.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, how to convert? Just now we discussed how to convert a decimal fraction to decimal and decimal to decimal fraction. Now let us take a normal fraction, which is not a decimal fraction. Something like, first we'll take one simple example, that is 4 by 5. Is 4 by 5 a decimal fraction? No, it's a simple fraction. If you want to convert it into decimal, two methods are there. Method number one is, for whatever fraction you take, method number one is always possible. That is, divide the numerator by the denominator. Okay. So I told you already yesterday, if the dividend is less than the divisor, then always 0 will be there in the quotient first. 5 into 0, 0. Then subtract, you'll get 4. Use decimal point. 4 will receive a 0 here. That is 5 eights are 40 and the remainder is 0. So we got the answer 4 by 5 converted into decimal form, we'll get 0.8. Then what is method number 2? Method number 2 is more simple, but method number 2 may not be possible for every question, but if it is possible, it will be very easy. So what is method number 2? Method number 2 always depends on the denominator. So what is the denominator here? Denominator is 5. Now you always think, can I convert this denominator into any 10 power? So what are the 10 powers we have? 10 power 1 is 10, 10 square 100, 10 cube 1000, 10 power 4 10,000, etc. Now you ask yourself, can I convert this 5 into its any 10 power form? Yes, we can do that. I can convert this 5 into 10 by multiplying by 2. And we know one rule. In order to not change the value of fraction, if denominator is multiplied by 2, numerator also should be multiplied by 2. So numerator and denominator I multiplied by 2. Why I multiplied by 2? Because by multiplying by 2, 5 becomes 10. 10 is nothing but a 10 power. To convert the denominator into a 10 power, I multiplied by 2. So 4 twos are 8, 5 twos are 10. So 8 by 10. Now this is a decimal fraction. We know how to convert a decimal fraction into a decimal form. That is, write the number as it is, then count the number of zeros. There is only one zero. So use one point here, that's it, 0.8. So we got the same answer. We'll take one more example like this to convert. For example, I have 121 divided by 25. I want to convert its decimal form. So method number one, divide the numerator by the denominator. So 25 fours are 100 and the remainder is 21. So because the remainder is less, I'm going to use a decimal point, will receive 0 here. Then 25 eights are 200 and then some difference is 10. Because the decimal is already there, I can write 0 here. So 25 fours are 100, the remainder is 0. So therefore the answer I got 4.84. Now let's try method number 2. Method number 2, what I said, just write 121 by 25. Concentrate on the denominator. The denominator is 25. So can I convert this 25 into its any 10 power form? Can I convert into 10? Can I convert into 100? Can I convert to 1000? Like that. Can I convert 25 into 10? No, we cannot do that. But can I convert 25 into 100 by multiplying by any number? Yes, we can do that. That is, multiply by 4. 25 if you multiply by 4, it will be converted into 100. So because denominator I multiplied by 4, numerator also will be multiplied by 4. So 121 into 4, I get 484 divided by 25 into 4 will be 100. Now how to write this in decimal form? Write the numerator as it is, 484. Count the number of zeros in the denominator. There are two zeros. So starting from right to left, you place the decimal points after two places, 1, 2. So after 8, you are going to introduce the decimal point here. So that is 4.84. So we got the same answer. Method number 1 is always possible for any question, but method number 2 may be possible, may not be possible. But when it is possible, if you can convert the denominator into any 10 form, 10 power form, it will be very simple. But if it is not possible by method number 2, you can always do in method number 1. So copy this, then I'll be giving questions. And any doubts on the screen, you can ask me now. Yes, Mayuk?
Yeah.
Yes?
That is possible for 10 powers only.
Method 2 is used for 10 powers only, and if it is really possible, then the problem will be very simple. Better than division, in method 2 will get easier answer. Okay. But if it is not possible, we have to follow method 1 only.
Okay.
Shanai?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, 10 power, sir, method 2 only 10 power ki enduku వస్తుంది sir?
Because we know how to convert decimal fractions into decimal. Same question was asked by Harshavardhan. Why decimal fractions when written in decimal form or in the decimal fractional form denominators are having 1 and zeros? Because in,
Sir, sir,
in decimal places, after the decimal point we have 10th, 100th, 1000th, etc. Right?
yes sir.
Means 1 by 10. In 10 parts we are taking one part. 100th means in 100 parts we are taking one part. That's why it is 10, 100, 1000, etc. Okay?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, method number 2 only 10 powers to only why incoming sir? Sir,
It is,
5 powers to 10, 20 power.
yeah, it is possible for only 10 powers. Why? Because the decimal places are actually 10 powers only. 10th is nothing but 1 by 10. It's nothing but 10 power 1. 100th is means 1 by 100. It's nothing but 10 square. So that's why we should check for 10 powers only. If the denominator is any other number other than 10, 100, etc., we must do division. There is no other process. But if the denominators are 10, 100,000, without doing division, directly by the numerator, we can write the decimal. I hope you understood.
Yes sir.
Okay, Shanai. Sudeshna? Sudeshna?
Sir,
Yes. You have
sir,
any
can
doubts?
you explain again method 2?
See, method 2, what you need to do is, first we have 4 by 5, right?
Sir, that one not, sir, 1 by 2.
Yeah, 121 by 25. What is the denominator, ma? 121 by 25? What is the
20,
denominator? 25, right?
25.
I want to convert this 25 into any 10 power. You know what are 10 powers, Sudeshna? I explained already. 10 power 1 is 10. 10 square is 100. 10 cube is 1000 and so on.
Yes sir.
So these are 10 powers. Now, can I convert 25 into any 10 power?
Yes sir.
100 I can convert.
Sir, 25 fourths are.
Yes, I should multiply by 4. If I multiply by 4, then it will be converted into 100. So because denominator I multiplied by 4, numerator also I should multiply by 4. So 121 into 4, I got 484. And
Okay.
denominator 25 into 4 is 100. So now how to convert this into decimal, we know easily. Because it is a decimal fraction. Write the numerator as it is 484. How many zeros are there in the denominator, Sudeshna?
2.
2.
That,
So
yes.
starting from right, you count two places. 1, 2. Then use point here. That is 4.84. Is it clear?
Okay sir.
Okay, Sudeshna, you can mute yourself. I think everybody have copied this and we are moving to the next question. So this is the introduction to decimal. Now, we discussed comparison of fractions. So similarly, we are going to discuss comparison of decimals. So do you remember how we compared fractions? We discussed so many methods: equal denominators method, equal numerators method, converting into decimals, and then we depended on figures also. Now, comparison of decimals is very easy. For example, I have 1.23 and 1.27. I want to compare whether they are having less than between them, greater than between them, or equal to. Okay. So first you compare the whole parts. What do you mean by whole parts? That is, every decimal will have two parts. Okay, first let me explain those two parts. 1.23 is there. This is the decimal. Every decimal is having two parts. One is called whole part. Whole part means what? Whole part means before decimal, whatever number is there, that is called whole part. That is one. And then this is called fractional part or the decimal parts. So let's say decimal parts. So the decimal part of this number is 0.23. Okay. So first you compare whole parts. So what is the whole part in this number? 1. What is the whole part in this number? 1. So you seeing this 1 and 1, we cannot compare the decimals. So we go one step further into the tens place. So tens place, 2 and 2. They are also equal. We cannot do the comparison now. Go to the next place, hundredths place, 3, 7. So 3 is actually less than 7. So we can say this decimal is less than this decimal. For example, you have 12.56 and you want to compare 2.38. So what I said, first compare the whole parts. So here whole part is 12, here whole part is 2. So between 12 and 2, what is the comparison that we can do? Greater than. So without looking at the decimal part, we can write. But for example, you have something like 12.112 and we are comparing 12.111. Okay. So 12, 12, the whole parts are equal. Tenths place 1 1 equal, hundredths place 1 1 equal. We cannot compare. But going to the thousandths place, that is 2 and 1. Now we can do the comparison. 2 and 1. So we can say 2 is actually greater than 1. That's why 12.112 is greater than 12.111. And one more thing is, so many students will call it a wrong way. That is, they say 12.112. That is wrong. Don't call the decimal after the decimal. Don't read it like a number. Read separately. So you have to call this as 12.112. Don't say 112. You should say each individual digit separately. You should say 12.112, but don't say 112. Okay. And let's take one more example. 2.345. I want to compare with 2.345. No, because all the digits are same, we can write that is equal to. So this is the way we are going to compare between the decimals. So comparison is nothing but which one is smaller, which one is greater, just we are identifying, that's it. And you should remember what is whole part of a decimal and what is decimal part of a decimal. So copy these examples. Yes, Mayuk. Yes.
So if I have one question, 12.220 comparison of 12.2. The two are equal.
12.20 and 12.2. So what do you think, Mayuk? Equal or not equal? What do you think?
So I think equal.
Yeah, they're equal. Why? Because, see, I'll tell you, we want to compare 12.20 and 12.2, right? Okay.
Okay.
We just now discussed how to convert a decimal into decimal fraction. I want to convert this into decimal fraction. What I can do? First, remove the decimal and write 1220 divided by 1 followed by how many zeros? 2 zeros, right? And this one I convert into decimal fraction. Without decimal, you write 122. And 1 followed by how many zeros, Mayuk?
So 10.
1 0. So by dividing by 10, 0 0 gets cancelled. And again the answer will be same 122 by 10, right?
Yes, sir.
Are these two equal now?
They're equal.
That's why these two are also equal, 12.20 and 12.2. That means in a decimal number, at the end, how many number of zeros you use, it is of no use. That means 12.2 is same as 12.20, is also same as 12.200, is also same as 12.2000. That means any number of zeros you use after at the end of the decimal, after the decimal point it should be, not before, after the decimal point, that is of no use. Even if it is there or not, no use. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mike. I hope everybody copied this. So all of you try this question now. Which one of the following options is incorrect? Which is wrong? You should identify. Who want to explain this answer can raise a hand now. Only few people are interested. Out of 31 students, 1, 2, 3, 4, just 7 students are interested to give answer. Harshit, can you give the answer?
Sir,
Yes, Harshit. Which is incorrect?
sir, C.
C is incorrect.
Yes, sir.
They are asking correct or incorrect.
Sir, incorrect.
Okay, let us check option by option. Okay. So option A, I want to check, Harshit. How can I check this fraction and the decimal are equal or not?
Sir,
How can I convert 2 by 5 into its decimal form?
sir,
Just now we discussed. There are two methods I discussed. What is the first method?
sir, first method is
Divide the numerator by denominator, right?
yes.
So option A, I'm checking. I want to convert 2 by 5 into the decimal form. Divide the numerator by denominator. So whenever dividend is less than divisor, what you have to do?
Sir, dim.
Use 0 here. 5 into 0, 0.
Okay, sir.
Then subtract, you'll get 2. Use a decimal point, you'll get 0 here.
Yes.
Then what are you getting? 5 4s
Sir.
are 20, remainder 0. So we got 0.4.
Yes, sir.
Can you say any other method for this? I did in this method, no? Can you say any other method? Method number 2.
Sir,
Just now I told you 10 minutes before.
yes, sir. 3 by 5.
2 by 5 is there, no? What is the denominator?
Denominator 5.
5. Can you convert this 5 into any 10 power?
So 5 by 10.
5 into 10, 5 can you convert as 10?
Yes, sir.
You have to multiply by which number?
Sir, 5 table.
5 2s are 10. So this is into 2 and here also into 2. So we
Yes.
get 4 by 10. 4 by 10 is a decimal fraction. We can easily write in the decimal form. What can I write?
Sir, no.
Can I write 0.4?
Yes.
So option A is correct or wrong?
Sir, wrong. Correct.
Correct only. Now we will check option B. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Option B is 1.147. Let us compare with 1.039. So what I said, first you compare the whole part. What is the
Yes, sir.
whole part in this?
Yes.
What is the whole part in the first decimal?
Sir,
What is the whole part in the first decimal?
sir, 1.
1. What is the whole part in the second decimal?
1.
They are equal, so we cannot compare. We go to the tens place, 1 and 0. Here only we get the comparison. 1 is greater or 0 is greater.
Sir, 1.
So we can say greater than. So option B is correct or wrong?
Sir, correct.
Correct. Now we'll go to option C. Let's write 5.862. I want to compare with 5.9. What is the whole part in the first decimal?
Sir, 5.
5. What is the whole part in the second decimal?
5.
They are equal, so we cannot do the comparison. We go to the tens place, 8 and 9. Which is greater?
Sir, 9.
That means 8 is smaller, right?
Yes.
So can I write less than?
Sir, no.
Why no? 8 is less than 9, no?
Sir, again here 62 is there, sir.
That's what I said. You are thinking that this is a huge number 862 and this is only 9. 862 is greater than 9. That is wrong.
Okay, sir.
See, I'll tell you why it is wrong. See here, you try to convert this into fractional form. You get 5862 divided by 1 followed by 3 zeros, right?
Yes, sir.
You try to convert this into decimal form, fractional form. You'll get 59 by 10, right?
Yes, sir.
I want to have the same denominator. So 10 I can multiply by 100 and
Sir?
this multiply by 100. You get 5900 by 1000. Now
Yes.
you can compare this is greater or this is greater.
Sir, this is.
5900 is greater, right?
Yes.
Means even after the decimal point, if there are no zeros, but we can always write the zeros. Understood?
Okay. Yes, sir.
So this you can, if you want, you can write zeros also here. Now
Okay,
if
sir.
862 is smaller than 900, right? But without writing zeros also, we can compare.
Yes.
See, compare like this, tens place and tens
Okay.
place, 8 and 9. 8 is smaller than 9. Only compare one place. Don't think about 862. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Correct or wrong?
Sir, correct.
Correct. Now option D. That is 3.21. We are comparing with 3.222. Okay, first compare the whole part. Whole part is 3, whole part is 3. Can we do the comparison here?
Yeah. No, sir.
No. Now go to tens place. 2, 2. Can we compare now?
Yes, sir.
No, we
No.
cannot compare. 2, 2 are equal. Go to the next place. Hundreds place, hundreds place. Can we compare now?
Sir, yes.
1 is smaller than 2, right?
Yes.
So can I write less than?
Yes, sir.
But they said,
Sir?
in the question, what they said?
Sir.
We
Sir.
got less than,
We
but
get-
what they said,
Sir, option D.
what I'm saying is, we got less than is the correct answer. What is given in the option?
Yes, sir. It's correct.
Greater than is given, right?
Yes.
So option D is correct or incorrect?
Sir, incorrect.
That means option D we have to choose because they are asking incorrect option. Is it clear?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, you can copy now. So all these students, you can copy now. Any doubts in this solution, you can ask me. Those who wanted to give answer can lower your hands. Only doubts can raise a hand now. Only doubts you can raise a hand now. Yes, Mayuk?
Sir,
Yes.
so what class today you taking?
I didn't get you. Can you speak loudly?
Sir, what class today you taking?
Today intelligence. Friday, Saturday.
Okay.
At 7:30 we will start more 20 minutes.
Okay.
Nishil? Nishil, any doubt?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can I explain this 2 by 5?
2 by 5.
Yes,
See,
sir.
2 by 5, if you want to convert into decimal form, you can divide 2 by 5, right?
Yes, sir.
So dividend is less than divisor. We should use 0 in the quotient. 5 zeros are 0 and then do subtraction. You get 2. So when you
Yes, sir.
use the decimal point, 2 receives a 0. So 5 fours are 20, right?
Yes, sir.
And subtracted, you will get 0. So the answer is 0.4. In the second
Okay, sir.
also we can do 5 we can multiply by 2 to make it 10. So numerator also we multiply by 2. So 4 by 10 we can write in the decimal form 0.4. So that means option A is correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Abhiday, any doubts? Abhiday?
Sir,
Abhiday, any doubts?
sir, we should write that option A, option B, and option C also.
Everything you should write, I told you already. Okay, I'm waiting on the screen. Complete quickly. Nishil? Yes.
Sir, intelligence to also one book keep.
Come again?
Sir, you 7:30 after starting intelligence now.
Yes.
Sir, intelligence to also can notes, right?
You have to write everything I told you. In live class, you don't keep any notes pending. In live class only, if you complete, then no need to visit the recorded lectures again and write now.
Okay, sir. Intelligence one big bookkeeping, sir.
Yes. Don't keep it pending, the live class notes.
Okay, sir.
Nishika? Yes, Nishika?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, you can keep intelligence poll.
I have not started the subject only. When I start, I'll see. Okay, Nishika?
Sir, can you explain?
What I should explain?
Sir, why is answer D came?
Why? Because they are asking which is incorrect. Incorrect means wrong answer, no?
Yes, sir.
If you compare 3.21 and 3.222, 3.21 is actually less than 3.222. But they said greater than. That is only incorrect.
Yes, sir.
That's it. They are asking which is wrong. Option D is wrong. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Akshit, any doubt? Akshit? Akshit?
Sir, I will not the intelligence book, sir.
Okay, no. Today you can write in rough notes and copy later.
Okay, sir.
Kamal?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, method to why we should why we should do 2 into
Why? Because 5 is there now. If I have in place of 5 10, it will be easy for me. To make
yes.
5 as 10, I multiplied by 2. So numerator also multiplied by 2. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, Sahasra. Sahasra. Sahasra, you're not audible. Sahasra. Sahana and Sahasra, leave the class and join again. Okay, this question is done and we move to the next question. So this is about comparison of decimals. Conversion between fraction and decimal we already discussed. Okay, now let us take one more example here. Let's take something like 10 by 3. Sometimes there will be a recurring decimals. Let us take one example, that one. So numerator is 10. I want to divide it by 3. 3 threes are 9. Remainder is 1. Use a decimal point, it will be 0. 3 threes are 9. 1. Because of the decimal, we are getting 0. 3 threes are 9. Remainder is 1. Because of the decimal, we are getting 0. 3 threes are 9. Remainder. That means there is no end for this. It will continue forever and so on. That means this digit 3 also will be repeated forever. That means 10 by 3 we have 3.333 and so on. So that is written as 3.3 bar, which is getting repeated, that you will write bar. So this is how we get non-terminating decimals also, 3.3 bar. So this is also based on division only. You can copy this example. We take more questions now. After you copy that, try this question. Convert the fraction 15 1 by 25 into a decimal number. Try this question. If anybody know the answer, can raise a hand. Ritvik, can you give the answer? Ritvik,
Sir,
can you give the answer?
I am trying now only.
Okay. Why did you raise hand? Ritvik, you have any doubts?
No, sir.
Then why did you raise hand?
Suddenly clicked.
Okay. Abhiday, can you give the answer for this?
Sir, option B.
Option B or D?
Sir, B.
B for ball?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you explain how you got the answer?
Sir, 15 is the whole part. We can keep that aside.
Okay.
Sir, 25 we can convert into a 10 power, sir.
Very good. Very good.
Sir, into 4 into 4.
Very good.
Sir, 4 by 100 is 0.04.
Very good. Excellent answer.
15, sir.
Yes, very good, Abhiday. That is the best possible method you can solve this. So you can mute yourself, I'll explain. So
Okay, sir.
Abhiday explained the best possible method, but let us try some standard methods also. Some people will do like this 15 1 by 25. So they don't see any easy process. They keep on doing the same thing. That is, first they convert mixed into improper. That we do 15 into 25. Okay. So 250 and 125. So you get 375 plus 1 is 376 divided by 25. So we converted into improper. Now we will convert into decimal form 376 by 25. 25 ones are 25. So the remainder is 12. Take down 6. 25 fives are 125. 1 is remaining. Use decimal, you'll get 0. Still, this is not sufficient. Use one more 0, you'll receive one more 0. 25 fours are 100. Remainder is 0. So we got the answer 15.04. That is option B. Method number 2, you can do like this. Method number 2 is 15 1 by 25. I told you that mixed fraction can always be separated. 15 plus 1 by 25. So keep this 15 separate. So 1 by 25 you can write in decimal form. Still you do division. 25 is dividing 1. 25 zeros are 0, 1. Use decimal point, this is 0. Use 0, one more 0. 25 fours are 100, remainder is 0. That means 15 you can add 0.04. You'll get 15.04. Still we got the answer B. Now method number 3, what Abhiday said is the best possible method for this. That is 15 1 by 25. You make 15 separate, 1 by 25 separate, and then you think, can I convert this 25 into any 10 power? Yes, we can do that. 25 can be converted into 100 by multiplying by 4. So into 4 you have to do, into 4 you have to do. So that is 15 plus 1 into 4 is 4, 25 into 4 is 100. Now this is the decimal fraction. We know decimal fraction can be easily converted into decimal. First write the number numerator, then introduce two places because there are two zeros. But we have only one place, so we can use 0 here. That is point. Before that nothing is there, we can use 0. 15 plus 0.04 is nothing but 15.04. So the answer is B. I don't suggest method number 1. Method number 1 I don't suggest. But this is the standard method which may not follow. This is a very slow process. Very slow. But even if you're doing that method, you'll get the answer. But always don't try to do division. First try to convert into a decimal fraction. If you're not able to do, then only you depend on the division. I hope everybody understood, and any doubts you can ask. I'm lowering all the hands. Any doubts left, you can raise a hand now. Nishika? Nishika, any doubts? Nishika?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can you explain method 3?
Method 3 is 15 1 by 25. Can you write 15 separate and 1 by 25 separate?
Yes.
Can I convert 25 into 100
Yeah.
by multiplying by which number?
Sir, 4.
4. So numerator also we should multiply by 4, right?
Yes, sir.
1 into 4 is 4. So we got 4 by 100. 4 by 100 we can write the decimal form 0.04.
Yes, sir.
So we get 15.04 is the answer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Harshavardhan, any doubts?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I want to actually tell answer, but
But the answer is over. No, no
method
problem.
3.
Only doubts you can ask. Jayvant? Jayvant?
Sir,
Yes, Jayvant.
sir, I think that method number 2 and method number 3 almost the same.
No, they are different. To convert 1 by
So,
25 into decimal form, we did division in the method number 2, but we did not use division in method number 3. Only we converted into decimal fraction and converted into decimal.
yes, sir.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay, I stop the maths class here, but I will explain what is the pattern for tomorrow's exam. Then we will continue intelligence. Okay? Okay, all of you. See, tomorrow, Sunday. So, tomorrow exam pattern. So, tomorrow is 23rd. Sunday. Okay? Weekly test number 2. So, mathematics. Last week I gave you 10 questions. Now I'm going to give you 20 questions. 23s are 60. And GK. Last exam I gave 5. Now I'm going to give 10 questions, each carrying 2 marks, 20. English, I'll give 10 questions, each carrying 2 marks, that is 20. Intelligence also, 10 questions, each carrying 2, that is 20. So total of 120 marks you'll be writing the exam. And the duration is 150, 15 into. So I'm giving 1 hour time. So it take 1 hour 15 minutes. So duration 1 hour 15 minutes. 1 hour 15 minutes of time you can write the exam. And here what I will do is maths 20 questions are there now. In this 20% of the questions are from previous week. That means 16 questions are from second week and 4 questions are from first week. So first week whatever we have completed also we have to revise. And similarly this one also 8 questions are from second week and 2 questions are from first week. 8 questions are from second week and 2 questions are from first week. 8 questions are from second week and 2 questions are from first week. That means first week also whatever syllabus we have completed, from that also you are going to get the questions. But more questions are going to come from second week. So you should not forget what we have discussed earlier. So this is the pattern of tomorrow's exam. And the time is same. That is, you can start after 4 p.m. From 4 p.m. the test will be available. You can write at any time after 4 p.m. From 4 p.m. the test will be available. So this is a pattern, you can make a note of this. And any doubts regarding the pattern, Jashvi? Yes, Toshvi?
Sir, can
Yes.
you change the exam time?
I didn't get you. Exam time?
Can you change the exam time?
That means 4 p.m. You want to change?
No, sir. Can you keep morning?
Morning.
Yes, sir.
No, no. If I keep morning, then what you do, without any preparation, you go and write. But if it is in the evening, those who want to prepare, they'll revise everything from morning and they'll attempt it in the evening only.
Okay, sir.
Why do you want to write in the morning? You will complete the test and you can enjoy holiday.
No, sir.
Okay. In the evening only.
Okay, sir.
Nishika? Nishika? Nishika, you're not audible. Kamal?
Teacher, sir,
Yes.
in the evening 4 o'clock.
Come again?
Sir, in the evening 4 o'clock.
Yeah, evening. After 4 p.m., the test will be available. You can write. The test duration will be 1 hour 15 minutes.
Okay.
Rishikesh, any doubts?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, we can start test at 4:30 also.
After 4 p.m. only, you should start.
Okay, sir.
Aryan?
Sir,
Yes, Aryan.
sir, will you send this in the group screenshot you will take?
Screenshot. It will
Yes, sir.
be there in the recorded lecture also, and in the announcement also. Tomorrow, I'm going to send. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir,
Yes.
sir, you said after 4 p.m. it will be available.
Yes.
Sir, you mean we can even write it on 5 o'clock?
No, at 4 o'clock only you attempt.
Sir, which means only correctly at 4 o'clock you can only join.
Yeah, after 4 p.m. the test will be available, but don't delay it. You have to attempt it 4 p.m. only.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Jayant?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, the test will be 4 p.m. to 5:15 p.m.
Yes, it's not 4 p.m. to 5:15 p.m. You can write after 4 also, but don't delay it. From 4 p.m. the test will be available. Anytime after 4 you can write.
So like 4:50 also we can write.
Yes, you can write, but don't delay it. That's what I'm saying.
Okay, sir.
Try to write as quickly as possible after 4.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now we will start intelligence. So intelligence, I think we are discussing yesterday which chapter? Classification we started, right? And I gave these questions. So shall I give the answers for these questions? Yesterday I gave you these questions, no? You want answers? So I think most of the students have not completed. I'm giving 10 more minutes to try all these questions, then I'm going to give answers. So all of you can try these questions now. Yesterday I gave you, no? Anybody there completed all the questions? Can raise a hand. I'll give another work for them. Harshavardhan?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, that exam suppose we completed before the time means we want to submit when the time over.
Don't submit even if you complete until the last minute. Keep checking the answers. It may increase your marks, right?
But suppose we submit first means in the result they will show that who submitted first they will be same marks getting also they are going to.
It's not like that. Based on the timer who completes first, that will not be there. But at which time you have submitted, it will be recorded. I will check. It should be automatically submitted by the time only. Before the timer runs out, you don't submit on your own. Okay? Use complete time till the last minute. Okay? Once the timer is over, it will automatically submitted. Nishika. Yes, Nishika.
Sir,
Yes.
sir. Are sorry.
Yes, yes, Nishika, tell me. Nishika,
Sir,
yes, tell me.
sir, today exam is 4 o'clock.
Not today, tomorrow,
Yes,
Sunday.
I think tomorrow.
Yes, tomorrow after 4 o'clock, you can write the test in the app. Okay?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, exam position you will keep in announcement.
Yeah, exam portion. I already told you now only, no? See, 2 weeks of classes I have taken. Last week, Monday to Saturday, I have taken, and this week, Monday to Saturday is there, no? This
Hi.
week, you will get 80% of the questions, and last week, 20% of the questions I will give.
Okay, sir.
Akshit, Akshit, yes,
Sir,
Akshit, yes.
sir, is this all questions also right?
Yes, this is in intelligence classification chapter. Are you there yesterday in the class?
So yes, sir.
Okay, you continue there. This is classification. Yesterday only I gave these questions.
Okay, sir.
Nikhil,
Sir,
yes,
sir, can I write questions also? Question and answer.
yes, question and answer.
Okay, sir.
The explanation also you write. For example, first question is there: pen, pencil, ball pen, and eraser. What is the odd one out?
Sir,
Except eraser, all the others are used to write. That explanation you should write. Okay,
okay, sir.
Kamal, Kamal,
Sir, I not listen yesterday class.
no problem. You know this already. Odd one out. Out of the four options, which one is different? You have to write. Okay,
Okay, sir.
Jayvant, Jayvant,
Sir,
yes.
sir, we have to write this in the book.
Not rough book in your intelligence notebook only you write.
Sir, you tell that you told that institute in told that in the book.
No ma, you directly write why to write in rough book and copy later double work. Only one single time you can write in your notebook over. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm giving more 10 minutes to try all these questions, then I'm going to give answers for these questions. And one more important thing I'll tell you. Last week, so many students they started the test. Some notifications came, and you click the notification. You'll go to the other app, and the test will be automatically submitted. I won't give the second choice for you. So while writing the exam, don't open other apps. Don't click on the notifications which are coming. Only you should be there on the app, and until the completion of the exam, you should not open the other app. Otherwise, the test will be submitted and you'll get less marks. Don't do that. Harshvardhan.
Sir,
Yes.
may I can explain some?
Come again.
Sir, some may I can explain.
No, first try all of them. Try all of them one by one. I'll ask you later. Complete all of them. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, sir, sir,
Vishwajit,
sir, my over.
all questions are finished.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You want me to give the answers now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll send to your mother or father. Whose WhatsApp I can send the answers?
Mother.
Mother phone. I am sending the answers. You can check first. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I'm sharing now. Vishwajit, I just shared the answers to your mother's WhatsApp. You can check all the answers. Do correction. Harshit?
Sir,
Harshit? Yes?
sir, my completed sir questions.
All completed. Solutions also done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm going to share the answers in a moment. Harshit, is their father or mother mobile available with you?
Sir, mother.
Mother. I'm sharing to your mother's
Okay, sir.
WhatsApp. Harshit, can I know your mother's name?
Sir, Pranita.
I don't think I have your mother's name. Yeah, yeah, I have. I'm sending.
Okay, sir.
I just sent. You can check the WhatsApp and you can correct your answers.
Okay, sir.
Nishika? Yes, Nishika.
Sir, I did all with the solutions.
Very good, very good. You completed all the questions?
Yes, sir.
Okay, shall I share on the screen only? Everybody, it seems everybody completed yesterday only. Can I share the solutions now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm sharing just a minute. Shanai,
Sir.
Shanai, have you completed all of them?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I'm sharing the answers everybody on the screen only. So everybody can check now.
Okay, sir.
So all of you do check all the answers and we're going to discuss the explanations after this. These are the answers. Everybody can check now. And any doubts, one by one, you can ask me. I'll explain. Yes, Nishil.
Sir, my exam is completed.
Okay, now answers also I'm sharing on the screen now. You can do the correction now.
Okay, sir.
Everybody do correct your answers. Aryan, any doubts? Aryan? Aryan, you have any doubts? You're not audible, Aryan. Rishikesh? Rishikesh?
Sir, can you zoom the question answers?
Okay. Is this okay, Rishikesh? Shanai, have you corrected all your answers?
Sir, can you zoom the answers?
Yeah, I already did.
Okay, sir.
Harshvardhan?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in the third question, they said why is New Delhi?
Third question.
Yes, sir.
Except New Delhi, all the others are state capital, but New Delhi is the capital of country.
Sir, but we can, I written like this. Except Hyderabad, all are North Indian cities, no, sir. Northern cities, no, sir. India.
See, the intelligence is like there may be more than one answer possible, but the question creator will be final. What they are expecting, we should write. That's it. There is no change in it.
Sir, you collected this from previous year's papers.
Yes, these are from previous papers and some other material.
Sir, sir, exam to Wi-Fi connection, suppose slow means the exam will be submitted itself.
Come again? Except
Wi-Fi connection slow.
it's not a problem, but it will be automatically connected. But if you keep on going to the other apps, then it will be automatically submitted.
Sir, means suppose net connection slow means.
No, no, but your internet connection also should be good. Check before writing the exam.
Okay, sir. Sir, I should not open any apps and
You should
notifications.
not open any other apps while writing the exam, and you should not click any notifications.
And we should not go out from that app, sir.
Yes, yes,
When the exam time over.
yes. Srivalli, Srivalli,
Sir,
yes, Srivalli.
sir, 14th doubt, sir.
14th one.
Yes, sir.
14th one. What is the question, Srivalli?
Sir, 14th I did not understand.
You did not understand. So 14th question: 68, 85, 153, 174. Can anybody ready to explain 14th question? Raise a hand. Can anybody explain 14th question? I am lowering all the hands. Only those who wanted to explain 14th question can raise a hand. I'll be giving you chance. Ritvik, can you explain 14th one? Ritvik?
Sir,
Yes. 14th question, can you give the answer?
sir, no, sir, I did not understand 12th question.
Okay, one by one I'll discuss, but Srivalli asked first now, let us clarify her doubt. You know how to solve 14th question? Ritvik?
No, sir, no, sir.
First we'll complete 14 and one by one I'll clarify. Aryan, you know how to solve 14th question? Aryan,
Sir,
how to solve 14th question?
sir, I don't know, sir. I did not understand 11th.
Okay, one by one we'll do it.
Okay, sir.
Can you anybody can explain 14th one can raise a hand. Varshita? Varshita?
Sir,
Yes, 14th one.
sir, I don't know, sir. I not understood 11th one.
Okay, first let me explain 14th one, then I'll ask your doubts. 14th one, Srivalli, can you raise your hand once? Srivalli? Srivalli, can you raise your hand? Yes, Srivalli,
Sir,
how many tables you know?
sir, no.
How many tables you know?
Sir, 18.
18. Can you say 17th table?
17 plus 7. Sir, 17 1. 17 1s are 17, 17 2s are 34, 17 3s are 51, 17 4s are 68, 17 5s are 85, 17 6s are 102, 17 7s are 119, 17 8s are 136, 17 9s are 153, 17 10s are 170.
Okay, enough. Now in 14th question, 68, is it divisible by 17?
Sir, 68.
68, yes. Divisible?
Yes, sir.
17 fours are 68, right?
Yes, sir.
85 divisible?
Yes, sir.
17 fives are 85, right?
Yes, sir.
153 divisible?
Yes, sir.
17 into
Divisible.
how much?
Sir, 79 are 153.
Yes, but 174 is not divisible, no?
Yes, sir.
So which is odd one out here?
174.
So what is the solution you will write?
Sir, except option D, all are divisible by 17.
Very good, excellent. Okay, you can write that answer. Now, many students are asking other questions also. We'll go
Okay.
one by one. First question, I think it is very simple. That is, except eraser, remaining all the options are used to write. Second one, carrot, banana, radish, and one more thing is potato. Okay, except banana, all others are vegetables. Except banana, all others are vegetables. But banana is a fruit. New Delhi, Lucknow, Hyderabad, Jaipur. Remaining all are capitals of states, but New Delhi is the capital of country. And New Delhi itself is treated as state. And fourth one, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Himachal Pradesh, India. It's very simple. Option A, B, C are states, but India is a country. Option fifth one, second, work, meter, kilogram. Except work, all others are units. Second is a unit of what? Srivali, you can mute yourself. Second
Okay, sir.
unit of time. Work is not a unit, it is only a physical quantity. Meter is a unit of length. Kilogram is a unit of weight. Now you can ask your questions wherever you don't understand. Saharsha, which question?
Sir,
Saharsha, yes.
sir, we will write only options or process.
Process also should write no. See, Srivali told very good explanation. What she said for 14, except option D, remaining all options are divisible by 17. That you should write. Okay?
Sir.
You should write the explanation also.
Okay, sir.
Shana, any doubt?
Sir,
Yes.
sir,
Yes.
sir, you will explain 17th one.
17th question. A, D, F, K. Can you say? You know vowels and consonants, Shanai?
Yes, sir.
What are vowels?
Sir, A.
Remaining are consonants, right?
Yes, sir.
Option A, A. Vowel or consonant?
Sir, well,
D,
sir, D, consonant.
F,
Consonant.
K.
Consonant, sir.
So which is odd one out here?
Sir, A.
What is the reason you will write explanation?
Except A, remaining are consonants.
Yes, that you should write. Very good. And Kamal, what's your doubt?
Sir,
Kamal, yes.
sir, I completed up to 19.
Okay, you continue up to 23.
Okay, sir.
Harshvardhan.
Sir,
Yes.
the 13th one, that D1 why because why sir it
Harshvardhan, I asked you to remember squares and cubes, no?
yes sir I know
Square.
12 square 144, 13 square 169, 14 square 196, but 210 square it is not there sir anything.
210 is not a perfect square. So what is the which option is correct here?
Sir, D.
So except D, remaining all options are perfect squares. Can we write that reason?
Yes sir. Sir, 17th one we can do again one method sir.
That's it, enough vowel and consonant.
Sir,
Michelle. Yes, Michelle.
Sir, can I explain 10th one?
10th one you want to explain.
Yes, sir.
You got the answer.
Yes, sir.
Only why do you want to explain 10th one only?
Sir, I didn't understand.
Okay, 10th one, can you explain?
Yes, sir.
Yes, explain. Shall I explain 10th one or you want to explain?
Sir, you explain.
Okay, Nishil, you know the method how to find number of days in every month?
Yes, sir.
You know that hand bumps method, fingers.
No,
Do you
sir.
know, do you know that method or don't know?
Don't know, sir.
But you should know, no, the hand finger bumps method. Okay, Nishil, you do one thing. You remind me in today's class in the institute. I'll tell you how to find the number of days in every month. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, do you have calendar in your home?
Yes, sir.
Open any calendar and check how many days are there in each month. That is a clue. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Do it now. Vishwajit.
Sir,
Yes.
16th explain.
16th one.
Yes, sir.
16th one is very simple. Vishwajit. Madam gave you one work: cubes and squares. Do you know cubes, Vishwajit?
Yes, sir.
What is 2 cube?
8,
What is 3 cube?
27,
What is 4 cube?
64,
What is 5 cube?
5 cube, 195,
So which one is wrong here?
4 cube,
Which option is wrong?
C.
See. So what is the reason you will write?
Expect all cubes of 2 cube and 3 cube, 5 cube are correct. 4 cube are wrong.
Except option C. In remaining days, second number is the perfect cube of the first one. That you can write, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Kamal. Kamal.
sir,
Yes, Kamal.
sir, nothing, sir.
Why did you raise hand?
Sir, touch, sir, by mistake touches, sir.
Okay, Nishil, you got the answer?
Sir, I got the answer, sir. April.
Yeah, why April?
Sir, except April, all are 31 days. April only have 30 days, sir.
You understand now?
Sir.
But every time you cannot see the calendar, right? You should know the method. Remind me, I'll explain that method to you in the institute. Okay? Harshavardhan?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I have doubt in sir, 18th one.
18th question. Did you remember the corresponding positional values of all the English letters, Harshavardhan?
Sir, I not learned that English chapter.
Come again?
Sir, I am not there in intelligence that chapter, but I know some positional values.
But you should, positional values you should remember. Okay. So even if you don't remember, I'll tell you one simple thing. That is, 18th question. Can you see option A? Any vowel is there?
Option A, yes, sir.
Where is the vowel?
Sir, I.
In option B, is there any vowel?
Option B, yes, sir, you.
In option C, there is any vowel?
Sir, in option C, there is no vowel.
In option D?
Sir, in option D, yes, sir. Sir, in option D, there, so all, we can read like this. All options having vowels, but
So there is a lot of background noise. All of you mute yourself.
Sir,
Sir,
Everybody listen to me. That's it from today's class, and I hope you understood today's class. So you may leave the class now, all of you.